All right, for weight management or weight maintenance, this is my 5 hour full smoothie. It keeps me full for 5 hours. I use a plant-based milk for this one. Then I use my collagen powder that I got from Whole Foods. You can get this off of Amazon as well. Next up, I like cacao powder, unsweetened cacao powder. A big a big heaping scoop of that. And then I use vanilla extract in this. I put like a little pinch of salt to kind of offset the sweetness of the syrup that I'm about to put in there. You have two options for the sweetness that you're going to add in here. So one option is date syrup, and then another option, agave nectar was my other option, but I've been hearing bad things about it. I have to do more research and I'll let you know. So these are the peanut butters that I like to use because it has like minimal sugar or minimal sodium on the back. So I look for these three. And today we're going to use, let's use Justin's today. So I just put a big heaping tablespoon of the peanut butter in there. This also helps to keep you full. I also use 4 half slices of frozen bananas. When I freeze them, I kind of pull them in half, and then I just use like 4 half slices, so 2 full bananas. And that also adds to helping to keep me full. Then I top it off with the milk. And then in the NutriBullet it goes. Okay, so boom, that's my breakfast. That holds me over for about 5 hours, and to me it's yummy. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, what kind of smoothies you make that keep you full and what you put in it.